In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to an email thread in Gmail. This process can be very useful if you're dealing with group projects, planning events, or simply trying to keep everyone informed on a specific topic. It can save you a lot of time by ensuring everyone is on the same page without having to separately forward emails. So, let's dive into the steps to make this happen seamlessly. Firstly, you'll want to open your Gmail account and locate the specific email thread to which you want to add someone. Once you've found it, click on the thread to open it and scroll through the conversation if necessary to clearly understand the context you're about to share. Now, to involve someone new in this ongoing discussion, you have two options depending on your needs: forwarding the latest email or composing a reply that includes the new participant. For the forwarding method, look for the forward button at the bottom of the email. Clicking this will open a new window where you can enter the email address of the person you wish to add. It's important to ensure all the previous email content is visible so they have the full context right from the start. This method is generally quicker and more straightforward when you simply want to pass on the entire conversation history. Alternatively, if you prefer to respond within the existing thread, scroll to the bottom of the conversation and hit Reply All. In the new message window, you can manually add the email address of the additional participant. When you do this, you're ensuring they gain entry into the conversation flow, which might be more aligned with situations where you expect back and forth responses going forward rather than just providing historical context. Regardless of the method chosen, you can optionally include a quick introductory note in your message. This note should effectively explain why you've added this person and any specific input you're hoping to get from them. Keeping your email clear and summary-focused ensures the new participant can easily catch up and contribute meaningfully. Once your message is ready and you've reviewed to ensure all previous conversation details are included, click Send. The new participant will receive an email arriving at their inbox looking exactly like any other message in the thread, complete with the previous history and context intact. Remember, clarity matters. Taking the time to ensure everything the new participant needs to know is in the email can make all the difference in keeping your communications effective and efficient. So there you have it. Adding someone new to an email thread in Gmail is a simple task with extensive benefits. By following these steps, you can keep any group project or conversation thread flowing smoothly and inclusively.